Hello learners, it's me Prashant, your mentor for this session, and here I will try to make you familiar with the mathematics term set. Okay, so let's start set for today. And you can correlate this topic according to a syllabus. You can find it in a secondary standard, and you can find it in a different colleges syllabus. So let's start. Writing it again as it is not visible. Okay, so it's set. First let me define what is set. Okay. So here is the definition for today's topic. A well defined collection of distinct objects is called set. Now see, there are two terms which are very important in this definition. First one is well defined, and second one is distinct object. Okay, let us discuss about what is well defined and what is the meaning of distinct in this definition. First is well defined. Well defined. Okay, see, I'm writing here two examples, and I hope that you will understand what is well defined and what is not. Okay, if I'm writing here months of the year, months of the year, you can see it is well defined. While I'm writing beautiful flowers, beautiful flowers, here we can approach that this example is not well defined. Okay, let's have another example. Here I can write prime numbers. While if I'm writing here, tall persons, yeah, you can see that it is well defined. Tall persons. So you can see that it's not a well defined. I hope that you understand the meaning of the word well defined. And the second word is distinct. It means that the elements of the collection must be distinct from each other. Okay, now see, the second step in the topic is representation, and means how we write representation. Okay, there are two methods. One is called raster form, and the second is called set builder form. Okay, now let me write an example for raster form. If I'm writing any set in this way, that a set is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and in another way, if I'm writing that E is equal to number x, where x is n even number, can understand, I think. Yeah, this is the set of even numbers. So these are the two methods of writing set. One is roster method and second is set builder method. Okay, now let's move forward in this topic where I will tell you the different kind of types of sets. Next is types of sets. Okay, next is type of sets. First I'll show you empty set. It is nothing, just a set with no element, with no element, and it will be represented by phi. It is called phi. Now the second one is singleton set. Singleton set. A set with only one number, one element. Right. As you can see that if A is equal to 5, then it is called a singleton set. Okay. Let's move the next one. That is the finite set. Finite set. If you have a set with finite number of objects, a set with finite number of objects, as you can write an example here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's see the next one. Infinite set. Write by yourself. Infinite set. Write its definition and its example by yourself, and let me check whenever we will meet for the discussion. Okay, let the next one is equal set. If two sets with equal objects then, as you can see, that if A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 2, 1 and 3, it's called equal set. Okay, now the next one is equivalent. Equivalent. Equivalent set. Okay. Same number of elements. Two sets with same number of elements. So dear learners, this is our in this session today we learn the definition of set and how to write a set in a proper way, and after that we learn different types of those sets. So it's all about for today, and I'm writing here your homework that we will discuss in the next class, and then in the next class we also move forward with this topic. Okay, so your homework is, note it down carefully. First is write examples of for all types of set. That's mean 1 to 6. That's mean 1 to 6. Okay, and the next is write difference between 5 and 6. I will discuss further number 5 and 6 in next class. Till then, take care, and I hope that you will understand the topic set for today, and I will try to make you some enhance in this topic in the next video. So till then, revise it and do your homework. Okay.